You're watching Martin Roberts' 101 Property Investing Tips. And we're on to the next little subsection, which is tips for renters. So, tip number 51 is know your rental pool. Where are people coming from? What kind of people want to rent what kind of properties? Unless you start knowing the answers to those questions, then you are going to potentially head down some blind alleys. So, know what kind of properties people are looking for. Is it a family market? Is it a student market? Is it a professional let market? And then make sure that you gear the property that you're renovating or thinking about buying to that specific market. More hints and tips on martinroberts.com and also on Martin Roberts Property Tidbits on YouTube.